How to turn on dark mode on iPhone. Now there are a few different things that you can customize for dark mode. Okay, from the home screen, tap on settings, then in settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Next, in here, you want to select dark. This will allow you to set your phone to dark mode. You can also tap on liquid glass, and instead of clear, you can choose tinted. That will make the shading will be darker, so you can turn it on as well. Another way to turn on dark mode is to pull down the control center. So swipe down, then touch and hold on this brightness bar, and then tap on dark mode button here to turn it on or off. If it's off, you can switch it on, and that will allow you to go into dark mode. So here, if I tap on settings, this will be in dark mode. Now to make your phone even more darker, you can touch and hold on the screen, tap on edit, then tap on customize, and then choose dark, and this will make the icon darker, as you can see here. If I swipe across here, if I touch and hold, go into edit, so we go into edit, then tap on customize. Here you can see the icons will go darker. Here, if you choose always, it will make your background even more darker as well. Then tap on this icon here. We'll remove the text on the icon so that it will not show the white text. Okay, so we get out of that. Now you can also change your background wallpaper to make your phone more darker. So here I will go to my lock screen and touch and hold, and then you can swipe across and you can either choose one of the existing wallpaper or you can create a new one. And from here you can choose a dark wallpaper. For example, I can choose this wallpaper here. It is darker, so this one is quite dark, so I'll select that one and then tap on add, and then tap on set as wallpaper pair, and I'll use that one. Swipe up. Okay, so the icon didn't change, so I'll make sure I go back and tap on edit, then tap on customize. I'll choose dark, and then tap on auto, and then we'll get out of that, turn off the text, and we'll get out of that. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on dark mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.